now the burp counter's at 2.
Lot of good that would have done now.
Guys, how about we talk about, well, I don't know, the monsters that just ran off with all our friends?
Like, wait a second.
You were like, we were just talking about
Ooh,
that.
Trisha!
Need some help here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Family's estate, Marcus?
No. It belonged to my late wife's.
Damn. Jeez. Yeah, good combo. Did the budget control me?
I got somebody who wants to jump in.
Damn.
Go!
Yeah.
I've got you in my sights.
Damn.
Yep.
A little encore for you. Or a
Yeah.
little aftershock.
Damn.
You going for a marathon or something?
No, I'm gonna be ending at 5. And then I will take a break.